There's been a lot of talk recently about pensioners and tax. And this time it isn't just background noise. Something real is changing. The personal tax allowance is frozen at £12,570. At the same time, the state pension keeps rising under the triple lock. By April 2027, the full new state pension is expected to exceed the tax-free threshold for the first time. Normally, that would mean pensioners paying small amounts of income tax, often collected later through something called simple assessment. But the Chancellor has now said that people whose only income is the state pension will not have to pay that tax during this Parliament. For some pensioners, that's a genuine relief. No small surprise tax bills, no extra paperwork. But it won't help most pensioners. Around 3/4 already pay income tax because they have other income, a small private pension, some savings interest, or part-time work. That's where the fairness questions start. Two people with the same total income could be taxed differently, simply because their money comes from different places. It's also a reminder of how retirement income works now. It rarely comes from just one source. If you're a couple, it's worth checking things like marriage allowance. Up to 10% of unused allowance can be transferred. Many people are entitled to it and don't realize. This policy may remove a small tax bill for some pensioners, but it doesn't fix the bigger issue. Frozen tax thresholds and a rising state pension are still on a collision course. Life is still good. Explore more at 60rocks.co.uk.